Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today in the segment of Knowing Your Crochet Pattern. But before we get into it, you guys, give me a big thumbs up on the video if you like it. And if you like what I'm doing on my channel, just go ahead and subscribe so you will not miss another video. Okay, so guys, let's get right into this. Today we will be talking about skill level in a crochet pattern. That's what you see at the top. When you open up a pattern, you see skill level. And all that is, you guys, is your level of experience in a crochet pattern. So when you're looking it over and all, it'll be your level of what you know. Now, the ones that they have is beginner, easy, and intermediate. Now they have like a beginner, advanced beginner, and then advanced. I'm going to focus on today just those three: beginner, easy, and intermediate. So when you get a beginner pattern, then it's just a beginner pattern. That means that you know how to work a chain, you know how to turn your work, and you know how to do one stitch. Okay, a single crochet. Okay, usually that's what you are taught in the beginning. And then even with that, the sky's the limit. With that, you can chain a whole blanket and just go back and forth, back and forth. You can do the same thing when making dishcloths, hats. You can really with just those beginner stitches, you can do a lot. And then we have easy. Okay, in the easy patterns, you see a lot of things. Not too much. The good thing that I like about the easy ones is that there is a repetition of a pattern in the easy. And I got some easy patterns. If you are a subscriber to my channel, most of the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Clubs are easy. This time I had got an intermediate one, and we'll talk about that on this segment of that. But I do have some patterns, you guys, that I want to show you when it comes to the easy. And we have the nesting bows. Okay, so these right here, this is considered, you see that? This is considered easy. And the reason why this is considered easy is because I have it open right here, you guys. So the reason why this is considered easy is because there is a repeat row for all three bows. Okay, and when you work these bows up, you're starting here because you're working in a round. So you are working in a round, and all you are doing is you are increasing to expand the bows out, because since it's worked in a circle, it's worked like this, and then you are expanding it out. And so all you're doing in this pattern is showed you where you are doing, just say on a certain part of your round, you are putting a half double crochet right in, it might say 2 double crochets, then you work around, and then you get to your other one, and then they'll tell you to put another, half double crochets or 2 double crochets. And you're just doing that, going around and around until your bow is expanded out. Right? I'm sorry, until your basket is expanded out. I don't know why I want to always call these bows, but until your basket is expanded out. Okay, and so I'm going to show you another easy one, which is right here, you guys. This is the Sedona shawl. Now, this right here is, I actually have a video review, and I worked it up and I talked about it on this shawl and on the bows. baskets. And this right here is another easy project, right? Skill level, easy. Okay. So when I open this up, this one really, you guys, is just 2 rows. This is a 2-row repeat. Once you do the first row and then the second, that's it. And you can make it as big, as long as you want it, as wide as you want it. And then that's it. And yeah, and so this is considered easy, right? And look how beautiful that is, right? So this is considered easy. And now I have an intermediate one, which is this one right here, you guys. Okay, so this is an intermediate one, and the Christmas mats. So in this one, okay, in this one, you have a lot going on. That's why it is intermediate. You have, let me see. Okay, so it's intermediate, but you have a lot going on, from parentheses, brackets. You have asterisks. You're working in the round. So you're doing all of this movement, and this can just be in one row. Okay. So you have all this going on, and and so it goes to the level of your experience. Okay. So these are the 3 that I wanted to talk about today, but I do want to encourage you. If you get a pattern and you want to make that pattern, look that pattern over. Don't let that skill level deter you from going, beyond. Because I want to tell you guys, when I was working patterns, when I would see, I was like in that box. Like if I saw a skill level of something with a pattern, I would not go towards it. I would deter from it. I'm like, oh no, I can't do that. Just like that, just by that skill level. And I want to just encourage you, don't let a skill level deter you what you want to make. Okay? So I always say, take your patterns, read them, highlight them, write them. Make sure that you have everything that you need to be successful. If you don't know what something is, look at it, look it up. Go the length where you can be successful in your endeavors in doing a crochet pattern. And I just want to say, you guys, I do not let that deter me anymore, because if I can do these patterns, you guys can do them too. I have faith in you guys. You can work these patterns. The key is taking your time when you are doing it. Get somewhere where you are not distracted, and just get a zone and get in there and get a knowledge about the pattern. I usually read mine like 2 or 3 times, just so I can get a feel, and so I can get, one with that pattern, so I can be successful in making it. So that's what I encourage you guys to do. That is it for me. I have hope that this has helped you in your endeavors, in your crochet, you guys. And I hope that you guys have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. And remember, you guys, when you are working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.